Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Regina, and if you're new here, wagwan, go subscribe already. So guys, I picked up these beautiful things on Amazon, so I'm doing a little haul video for you guys today. I got this Makartt Soak Off Gel Polish set, and I also got these beautiful colors here from Gel Polish. I'm not sure what the brand name of this is because it's supposed to be gelish, but it doesn't seem to be. But these are the colors. This is like a purple color, and the number on it is 1620. And I did some swatches of these colors, and this is the color right here, and it's really beautiful. Next up I have this orange color, and it's $14.75, and that's this color right here, and I think that's amazing. Next up we have this this one, it's $16.22, and that's this one right here, and I think that is so beautiful. Like if you're doing an underwater, like it's kind of an aqua green color, and I think that's beautiful. Next up we have the blue, and that's the number 1621. And after that we got 1476, and this is this beautiful red color. Did the blue already? Anyways, if I didn't do the blue, I'm sorry. We have this beautiful green. Next, what is it, Bubby? You can talk. I left out the blue one, didn't I? Okay, fine. My son said I did the blue one, so everything's fine. And 1474. This is this beautiful lime green color. You better walk away with that mess, boy. And lastly but not least, I have 1477, and it's this nice, what can you call this? Burgundy-ish?
Like a dark, kind of like a burgundy.
It's kind of a burgundy, but it's the number 1477. And that's that for that number. Can you go away with your spider, please, sweetie?
No,
I am a spider. Stop it.
Okay, that's fine. Now we're gonna open up this beautiful set here and see what we got. I already did the swatches on this thing as well, but this thing comes so beautifully packaged, guys. Yeah, I'm over here fighting to get it out because it's so pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, Makartt, they really outdid themselves. I really like the packaging. It's so nice, and I think if you threw this across the room in the box, it wouldn't damage these polishes at all. So let's get these out of here and see what it is. I'm gonna put that spider in your hair. Yes, spider in your hair. That's my son Jamil, my baby. Yes, that's my baby right there, putting a spider in the frame and messing with people. People are scared of spiders. Go away with your spider, please. Thank you. All right, we're gonna get serious now. And okay, so the first color I have for you is 039, and it's a pink color. And is it this? Kelly, you didn't number them for me? Okay, so that's the 039. I think it's beautiful.
Oh yeah,
it's like a rose pink kind of color. Here we go. The next stop is 075, and that's the 075. It's like a really sheer baby pink. Okay. And next is this 109, and that's this really what do you call these colors again? Pastel?
Yeah.
This is really a beautiful pastel purple. And then we have this 180, and it's like a nice peachy color. I love that, it's so pretty. Next up, it's this green, and its number is 250.
Like a mint green.
And it's like a really nice mint green color. And then we have this one, the last one. It's 460, and it's like a deeper shade of purple kind of slash gray. I'm not sure what that color is, but it looks more like on the purple, on the gray side of life. Yeah, and that's in the number 460. Yeah, so that's what we got for those. I also, guys, I also have this Mia's Secret acrylic nail kit because I've seen it on here and I wanted to check it out for myself. So I'm gonna open this up and see what we got. Okay, so here we go. Oh, I don't know, I should have just probably opened these off camera, but here we go. All right. Okay. Okay. And all right. So on the package here on the back, it's showing you all the stuff that it came with. So let's see if we can set this up and see if I got everything and that's in the package, in the picture. Okay, so let me start out by looking for these are the nail files, and this is a 180 zebra, Speedy Zebra. This one is 150 Speedy Zebra, and this is the 100 Speedy Zebra. And then you have this brush, the Mia's Secret acrylic brush, and it's really nice. It comes with its own cap. Not sure that this is 100% Kolinsky, but it's supposed to be a number 8, but I'm quite sure that this is not 100% Kolinsky, but I'll try it anyways. You see how easy that was to frazzle out? I'm not sure that is a Kolinsky, but I'll try it out and I'll let you guys know how it is. Okay, so let's move on to what else I have in here in this set. What do you think? Okay, so this is my first color. This is Disco Fiesta. It's called Disco, and I'll do swatches of these and I'll let you see the colors afterward because they're all sealed. So this is called Disco. This one. And then we have here the hand sanitizer, and it's like 4 ounces. Okay. And I got a dabbing dish. Okay. Can't have too many of those. Okay, I got Galatic. That's what it says, right, Michaela? Galatic. G-A-L-A-C-T-I-C. Yeah, Galatic.
I just want to see.
I'm with my kids today, guys. It's summer and they're home. I don't see why they shouldn't be in my video, guys, right? Right, Jamil? Really? Alright. Anyways, let's keep this moving. We don't want to stretch this out for all day. Alright? Shush, Michaela, please.
I'm sorry.
Okay, so we have the Mia's Secret Strong Jet Clear Nail Glue. We also have this 2 ounces of liquid monomer, and that's for the system. Okay. We have the white acrylic powder for French and 3Ds. Let's see if they're sealed as well. Yes, everything is sealed. Okay. And okay, we have the Cover Beige. Let me see the Cover Beige. Comes with a lot of powders. Did not expect it. And this is the clear. And y'all know I love the clear Mia Secret. That's why I bought the whole set because I wanted everything. And this is a Sunshine Galaxy. Oh, yeah, this looks pretty. This looks like it's gonna be a fantastic gold color. I know this is gonna be gorgeous. I can't wait. I can't wait, Jamil. And this is the pink powder. Oh God, I'm messing with my babies right now. Okay, where's the other ones? Let's get into this one. Let's see what's in here. Ah, pour it out. Just pour it out. Just pour it out. Get rid of that. Okay. So we got some lint-free. What do you call these? Alcohol wipes. Yep. And I don't know how many there are. I think they're probably like one. Let me see what much it says. Lint-free alcohol wipes. I don't know. It's like 20. Okay, 20 pieces of these. And there's a little brush to, you know, dust for the dust. Then you have this, the forms. And let me see what they say about the forms. It's supposed to be 100% Kolinsky nail brush number 8. So I'm not sure. They said 100% Kolinsky. So I might be disrespecting their thing, but it's in fact Kolinsky. These are the forms. I think they are kind of cute. I like them. I think they're cute. These are the forms. And these are like... Oh, they didn't tell me how much, so all I know is I have these nail forms, and I'll tell you how they work, guys. It's so funny. Okay, so I got 3 packs of nails, and they're 20 in a pack. We got the French tips, the natural, and clear. Okay. And then this is the No Burn Acid Free Primer Extra Bond for UVs and acrylic gel. Okay. UVs and gels. Okay, you got this Mia Secret nail pusher. Okay. Can't have too much of those. Sorry guys. Okay. Sorry about the phone call. Had to talk to the husband. Okay. And this is a clipper, so I can clip my nails down. Okay. And 2 orange wood sticks. I got the nail prep to dehydrate natural nails. And I also got this, okay, acrylic top coat, no UV lamp, so you don't have to use a UV lamp for this top coat. I'm sorry guys, I don't even know if you can see it. It says ice gel, so because it's kind of a dark purple and it's shimmery, so I'm not sure because it's showing up in my light. So there it is, it's ice gel. Ice baby. So this cute little thing here is the cuticle oil treatment, and it came with these cute little things floating around in it. Thank you, Miss. Look at that, it's so cute. It's just flowers floating around in there. Isn't that
from
pretty?
this far from the TV, kind of looks like a fish.
Yeah, it's my own little fish tank, guys. Yes. Okay. All right. Let's finish this up, and then the last but not least, this buffer block. So I got everything. I can see everything on here. I have everything. So that's all my all from Amazon, and hope you like my little haul today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and don't forget to love everyone, because remember, love is everything. Thank you guys for watching. Say bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye. Okay.